Guys, today we're here at Suzuki Cebu Auto South to talk about the newest Suzuki Franx, all new Suzuki Franx. So I'm very excited, personally very pumped, very thrilled about this car, and I can't wait to show it guys with you, the experience, walk around, and a quick test drive. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! So you have your Suzuki Franx right here guys. Of course, LED headlights, DRLs, 360-degree front view camera, very nice grille, glossy black, love the design. That two-tone finish with the icy blue colorway, and then you have your roof rails, black side mirrors, very sporty. Okay, and then you have this garnish right here, silver garnish. And then for your wheels, you have 195 by 60 R16 black, glossy black wheels. For the front, you have disc brakes, and then at the rear, you have rear drum brakes. Then you have over fenders. There you go, as you can see, two-tone finish, very beautiful guys. Again, that roof rail is really nice. Ground clearance 170 millimeter ground clearance, good enough, as you can see, which we'll have a test drive later on. Then for your rear, wow, I didn't know this had a LED strip tail light. And then you have rear camera, rear 4eye rear parking sensors. Then of course that nice looking garnish, rear spoiler, okay. And then shark fin antenna. This is how it looks like. I love the shape, how it's been cut right here. Then you have your regular rear end, okay. Very, very nice. So let's have a very quick 360 walk around. Let's have a quick look of your interior. First of all, smart entry, okay. There you have it. Very nice. Brown accents, coffee brown accents. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comments below. For me, I like the look so far. Thank you. Wow, very deep.
304 liters.
Wow. It's actually one of the deepest that I've seen in this category. Wow, very deep.
Spare tire.
You have your spare tire.
Same size but still rim only.
Okay, that's good enough. It's good enough.
Early warning device.
Early warning device. Very handy.
Set of tools.
Set of tools.
This one. There's a compartment here.
There you go. Wow. Thank you, Suzuki. Cool. Sige, sir. Thank you. Okay. Then to start her up, you have here your keyless entry. This is your remote key, lock and unlock. Okay. And then you have your push start button right here. Very convenient. Okay. So welcome to the interior of your all-new Suzuki Franx. First impressions, leather steering wheels, very nice. Sarap sa kamay. Very large infotainment screen display, 9 inches. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto.
Yes, sir.
Wireless and wired, you have that option. You have a lot of information here, very impressive. Your clock, average fuel consumption, your range. Actually, I'm really impressed that it's all here. Compared with, you know, most of the cars today, you need to find them here. I really like that it's here in the infotainment screen. Personally, I love it. So for the instrument cluster, what you see right away is 2 analog speedometer and your tachometer. But you have a digital screen right here, TFT display with all the necessary information regarding your engine, motor, and your battery. Then, as you can see right here, it's now connected for your music. Very convenient. You no longer get bored with your ride. I love the steering wheel. It has a flat D-shaped steering wheel. Very nice. Okay, it lets you move around very smoothly. And then here at the left side, you have your voice command and for your calls as well. Cruise control and adaptive cruise control, you have them here. And guess what, guys? Paddle shifters.
Yes, sir.
Wow, paddle shifters, guys. Look at that. It's color black. If you can see right here, paddle shifters, very nice. Okay, one more look of your steering wheel and your instrument cluster. Right, so this is your gear shifter, your gear lever, P, R, N, D, and M for manual mode. Then 2 cup holders. You have a wireless charging pad right here, very good. And then 2 sockets. There you go, USB Type A and your cigarette lighter. Okay, aircon controls, everything you need. Is it multi-directional, sir? Can you change the direction? Auto climate control, guys. So very impressive. Aircon, and then again your infotainment screen display. Wow. Okay, here above you have your lights. Okay, here you have your vanity mirror for your passenger princess. Then here you have your sun visor. Can you see right here, guys? What is that? 360-degree camera. So as of now, there's like a table or there's a person in front of us. Now we have the ability to see what's in front. Very, very convenient. Again, from neutral to drive. Okay, that's sound check for the horn. Okay, good. Thank you. Wow, alright. I like the sound of the turning signal, sir.
Yes.
And then, first impressions. Very smooth in terms of your steering wheels, guys. Very smooth. Electric power steering wheels, sir.
Yes, sir.
Electric. Very, very smooth. Very soft, very light. I love it. And then you have your manual adjustable seats. And guys, I think this is the very first car that has it. If you can please zoom in, sir. What you call the heads-up unit display. So I have an idea of the speed right now, sir, right?
Yes.
Very, very impressive. Okay, let's make one more turn. Side mirrors, good enough. I can see everything.
Blind spot monitoring.
Blind spot monitoring. Wow, this is really jam-packed with features. Okay, right now there are a few bumps and uneven road surfaces, but it's very impressive. You can barely feel it, honestly. And then when it comes to your curves, very okay naman. Let's see right here, there's some bumps. Wow. Okay, the suspension is really good. Alright, so let's try to... Okay, so I tried to just press on the gas pedal, no? It's really there. The acceleration is also there.
Yes. Very responsive.
Very responsive. So, when it comes to the fuel efficiency, sir, can we talk about that, sir?
Yes,
the
sir.
mileage.
So, in city driving, average will be 15 to 16 km per liter.
City driving?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really great. And then
highway, it will come 28 km per liter.
guys, I don't know if you don't think that's good, I don't know guys, but for me that's really great numbers in terms of fuel savings every month, especially if you have this for a daily driver.
Yes,
this is really gonna be a great option. Right now I'm intentionally going through these bumps right now. It's very impressive.
Suspension is MacPherson.
Okay, good. MacPherson.
Front coil spring.
Coil spring for the rear.
Yes, sir.
That's why it's handling very well the potholes and the bumps. You have lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring. So right now, let's try the adaptive cruise control. Right now, we're trying the adaptive cruise control. I'm not stepping on the gas pedal. Okay, as you can see. But once you press on the brake, look, as you can see, guys, I definitely felt the car adjust to the speed of the car in front of me. No joke.
Without pressing the brake.
Without pressing the brake. I was about to press it because I was worried and disengage the cruise control. But right now, guys, it's accelerating on its own. It's accelerating. I'm not even pressing the gas.
Very smart na sir.
This is actually very great. This is actually really fun. I'm not even, of course, hands on the steering wheels at all times, but I'm not even pressing the gas and the brake pedal right now. It's very smart. It's just adapting to the car in front of me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what if I want a little bit more speed?
Yes, sir.
I'm just gonna press the plus right here.
Plus.
So there's an indicator, guys, where you can see, thank you, sir. If you can see that green like indicator, as of now I am increasing the speed that I want to cruise in. Okay, 47, and then right now, guys, minus. Man, that's very impressive. Okay,
even motorcycles, sir.
Even motorcycles, the Suzuki Fronx can detect, and you can adapt with even motorcycles in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Man, that's really good. I'm starting to really like this car so far. Okay. All right, I'm not pressing the brake. I know this is very dangerous, but it's decelerating.
Yeah.
I felt a bit nervous because I didn't press the brake, but it decelerated and close to a full stop. Oh, close to a full stop. Okay, right now let's go. Let's continue on. All right. So to disengage, sir,
just press cancel.
Press cancel. All right. Cancel. Okay.
Yeah.
That's really good. So now, as a car guy, okay, I know that you might feel a bit bored with the CVT. Now let's have the manual mode.
Yes, sir.
Lower gear. Okay. And then paddle shifters.
Yes.
Back. All right. Downshifting. Second gear. Third. Upshifting. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Upshift. Oh man, this is so fun. Right, thankful for an even free road right now. Downshift once again. There you go, the response is there.
Very responsive.
Upshifting. Okay. That's very impressive, guys. So if you want to have a little bit of fun, especially guys, for those of you who miss driving manual vehicles, absolutely, this one of the best options right now.
There is that one.
So right now, I can feel, even when we're cruising, the lane keep assist is being engaged. Okay, at a certain speed, it's preventing you from switching lanes irresponsibly, right? So before you make a turn or before you switch lanes, you need to activate your turn signals, and with the help as well of your blind spot monitors. I love that it is in color orange.
Yes.
Because some of cars, they have red, but I like this one is in color orange. And by the way, guys, to complete the safety features package that I really love to have in a car, to have an auto high beam feature, very useful for driving at night especially provincial roads. Automatically illuminates higher or brighter light, and then it lowers automatically once it detects that there are cars on the other side of the road.
Yes.
So at this part right here, I know there's a very bad road surface here in this area. Let's see. I didn't even slow down just to really feel the suspension. Guys, it's really good. It's really excellent, I tell you. There's one more here. I'm not even gonna slow it down that much. I don't even feel anything, guys. Usually when we pass by here with different cars, you'll feel really, your butt will really feel these humps right here.
Right there.
Uneven surfaces. Right here, another one. Supreme comfort. Take it from me, supreme comfort. I love the leather seats as well. Very good. So right now, let's go back to the normal D gear. I'm also loving this so far. It doesn't impede your view, honestly.
Yeah.
It is not distracting.
So you can focus
You
na.
can focus on the road, and now I don't have to look down.
Yes.
It's something that I don't really
Yes.
like doing. I really like that it's there.
That's the purpose of the
That's the purpose of the
HUD.
HUD, or heads up
display.
Man.
Also the wireless charging.
Wireless charging pad is also very useful for our daily drives. You just have everything you'll need for a daily driver, guys. Impressive daily driver.
That one, sir.
Sige.
The EASS.
We have the engine auto start stop.
Yes,
so
sir.
right now we're
In the traffic.
At the traffic, very slow pace, and then just in case I need to stop,
That one.
it's holding. Okay,
Yeah.
release. At a certain biting point, you need to press the gas pedal to re-engage or to make the car run once again. Engine auto start stop system.
Save fuel also, sir.
Save fuel, just to have that control over your gasoline.
And also the 6 airbags.
Sir,
That
that's
one.
what I wanted to really mention. Thankfully, you have it here for the Suzuki Fronx. 6 airbags. One of my possible non-negotiable for a car, especially with a family.
Yes.
You need to have that. So as you can see right here, that's the symbol for the engine auto start stop. And then you have this manual or the traditional handbrake, which
Yes.
personally I honestly really like, because you know, the car guy feels
Yeah, yeah.
it just really feels good to have this thing right here at the middle. I miss it so much. So I'm glad that Suzuki have that here for us. And then for your compartment, yan, there you go. Sufficient space for your coins, for your wallet maybe. And then yeah, the leather padding is also good on both sides of my elbow. 2 cup holders.
And also at the back has an air vent here. And also the
Man.
charging port,
Non-negotiables.
Type A and Type C.
Sir, how's the air conditioning as a
Yes.
second row passenger?
Very bugnaw, kabutra.
Have
I can also control, I can close it also. I can open it and close.
for a city driver, no, the daily city driver car, I think it has most of the things that I'll want for even a family car with a ground clearance. The space,
Yes.
Headroom.
Legroom.
feels like one of those, you know, MPVs or 7-seaters. That's how you will really feel it here, because a lot of crossovers you will still feel the tightness, the narrowness of the body, but for this one just feels very, very wide. And of course, as a second row as well passenger, you have your leg room, very
Legroom.
important. Headroom as well, very, very spacious.
We have icy blue, Savannah ivory, and pearl white.
Similar with XL7.
Yes, sir.
The
icy blue.
is special for this one. You have two-tone for all of those
Colors.
colors. So I just learned, guys, you can actually control the angle of your HUD or heads-up display through this one. because there are different heights for different drivers. You can use those buttons. And you also have here controls for your 360-degree camera to activate. Okay, there's your different angles. And then you have your traction control button, lane departure warning to turn it on or off, your pre-collision system, activate or deactivate, your engine auto start stop, and then your parking sensors as well. You have the ability to turn it off just in case you want to. And then here's for the level of your headlights, very good. Then here below, you have a bit of a space here for, again, your coins, and then for your hood and your gasoline or your fuel. Alright, so right now, it's over for our test drive. We're gonna bring the Suzuki Fronx back home. Visit them, guys, if you're accessible. Really grateful for all the staff of Suzuki Auto South Cebu. Suzuki Auto Cebu South, thank you so much, Sir Bon.
Yes, sir.
All of the management, visit them here today. Very highly recommended. Alright, so there you have it. That's our test drive for the all-new Suzuki Fronx. Top of the line SGX.
Yes, sir.
Alright, and I have Sir Bon right here. Sir Bon, magpakilala, invite them. Go
Hi,
ahead.
I'm Romuel Garcia Bron, sales executive from Suzuki Auto South Cebu. You can also visit us here at Bristol Street, Mambaling. And you can also test drive our all-new Suzuki Fronx.
There you go.
SGX.
SGX.
Yes.
So, very impressive. In terms of the external looks, it really has it. I absolutely like the external looks of it. And then, much more here in the interior.
Yes,
impressive. Sir. Leather seats. Suede and leather combination. Very nice experience. Very premium. And when it comes to the features then, sir, 360-degree camera, yes, and safety features.
The ACC.
ACC, adaptive
cruise control.
Cruise control. Wow, at this price point, with all of these awesome things of the Suzuki Fronx, it really is a very great option when it comes to its competitor. So thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the next videos. Ciao.
Yes.